Hi everyone, welcome to your Integrated Science Schoology page. This is the page that you will be accessing for all of your lessons, your course materials throughout this school year. So when you go to your main Schoology page with your entire list of all of your courses, you're going to click on CP Integrated Science, and this is the icon or thumbnail that you'll be looking for right here. Once you get into the Schoology page, this is what you'll see. So the top here is your Welcome Back folder, and this is where you're going to access things that we'll be using at the beginning of the school year. So here up top is the link to access my virtual classroom through Zoom. So you'll open that up and then you'll click on the link. Here is my contact info, a little bit about me, the expectations for a virtual classroom, as well as discussion board etiquette. And then as you move further down, you will find course resources. These are all things that are going to be very helpful for you throughout the school year. The syllabus is located right here. And then moving on, this is the folder that we're going to be using for the first week or so of school. This is beginning of school year activities. So these are all things that we're going to be working on so we can get to know each other and become a little bit more acclimated with being in a virtual classroom. So opening up this folder, and this is going to have activities for you to do and assignments. And what you will notice is that whenever I do assign something, I will always have on here when it is assigned, and then there'll be the due date in there, and then that will show on your Schoology calendar. So the date that it is due will it will show you that on your Schoology calendar, and when you click on the assignment or when you look at the assignment, you will see when it was actually assigned by me. And then once we move out of the beginning of the school year, each unit that we're in, every single folder is named the unit that it's in, so Unit 1, and then whatever the name of the unit is or the topic that we will be learning about, they go in numerical order. Also, the units are broken down into modules. So the modules are the smaller topics or the supporting topics within each unit. So we'll go in module order throughout the unit until we get to the end, and then throughout there will be quizzes and things like that, activities to work on. So that is what the Schoology will look like. If you have any questions, you can visit my office hours, and I can go over this a little bit more with you. Thank you.